Welcome to JVR Industries. Today we're going to walk through with Brian, our technician out back, how to replace the display board on your JVR Vac100. Stay tuned.
So what we found out was easier to do is you take two 4x4s and you prop them underneath so that the machine is on an angle so you can get into the display box. Smaller screwdriver is the way to go. There's 3 individual screws, one here on the top left, one here in the center, and then there's another one by the ribbon on the other side in the top right. So you need to remove those 3 and this entity will come right out. Right here, so you just push up and then you can pull it right out. And this is the ribbon that you remove. Sometimes there's a little glue here, so then you can take that off with a flathead screwdriver. So now you take your new control board, put it back on there, you attach the ribbon back to here, line it up with the teeth, and you just push down ever so lightly. You don't want to bend it too much because this is a fragile piece. So now that the ribbon's attached, you take the control board, and there's a lip right here, so you just set it there and push it through, and then it'll hold by itself. Then you take your small screwdriver, Phillips head, with your small screws,
So now you know how to simply replace your display board. Go ahead and watch how to replace your control overlay as well, and now you'll be set on how to replace all of that on your Vac100. Thanks again to Brian for walking us through that, and if you guys have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us by way of email. And once again, thanks for choosing JVR Industries. You guys have a great one.